Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the Walgreens, and Walgreens has some really interesting deals this week. There's savings on laundry, paper products. We got some personal care deals like always. But without further ado, I'm the third shift couponer. There's a printable breakdown just in case you want to take it to the store with you. But let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So our first deal is going to be on Pantene. Pantene is on promotion for buy three, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.49. So you're going to grab three of them for a total of $16.47. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $12.47 at the register, but we'll get the $4 in register rewards for buying three, making them $8.47 for all three products. Another hair care deal that you can do is on OGX products. They're all buy one get one 50% off, and they're all on sale for $9.99. And when you buy two, you get $4 in register rewards. So you'll grab one at full price, one at 50% off, and your total will be $14.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll pay $10.98 at the register, but we'll get the $4 in register rewards for buying two, making them $6.98 for both. Head & Shoulders is our last hair care deal that we're going to look at. They're on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and the cheaper ones are on sale for $7. You'll grab two of them for a total of $14. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $11 at the register, but we'll get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $8 for both. Now we do have digital coupons for the Head & Shoulders Bare or the Clinical Strength if you'd rather do those instead. Axe Body Wash is on promotion for buy one get one 50% off. They're $5.99 at my store, so that's regular price. Grabbing one at full price and one at 50% off will be $8.98. We have a $5 digital coupon, so make them just $3.98 for both. Select Crest and Oral-B products are on promotion for buy three, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $3.50. So you can grab any of these Oral-B toothbrushes, or you can grab the Scope toothpaste, but you'll grab a total of three products. Three of them will be $10.50. We do have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5.50 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying three, making them 50 cents for all three products. This week's select Colgate products are on promotion for buy two, get $5 in register rewards, but the best way to do this deal is to look for the products that are on sale for $6. So one of the ways you can do it if you need toothbrushes is to grab these optic white ones. They come in the red one or the black colored one. There's other options. I just have never scanned them, but I know for sure that these two work. So I'll grab two of these ones for a total of $12. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $7 at the register. Get a $5 register reward for buying two, making them $1 per toothbrush. So the last oral care deal is going to be on the Colgate toothpaste. This is like the same deal as last week, but we got new coupons because I could have swore I grabbed these last week. But they're on promotion for buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and these are on sale for $6. Grab two of the toothpaste that you like for $6. We have a $6 digital coupon. You'll pay $6 at the register, get the $5 register reward for buying two, make them $1 for both. This week's select Tide, Downy, Ariel, and Bounce products are on promotion for buy four, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4.99. Some of the products you can grab are like the Tide Pods, or you can grab these Tide liquid products. You can also grab the Downy Unstoppables, or the purple one. They also have the Downy Rinse Out. We also have some fabric sheets or some fabric softener. So for example, these would be four products you could grab. Your total will be $19.96. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, $1 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, a $1 digital coupon for the Downy Rinse, and a $1 digital coupon for the Downy Calm Beads. You'll be left to pay $15.96 at the register. Look at the $5 register reward for buying four, making them $10.96 for all four products. This week's select Gain products are almost the same promotion. They're buy four and you'll get $4 in register rewards instead. And they're also on sale for $4.99. You can grab the Gain Flings. My store actually carries a small bag now of the Gain Flings. You can grab the Gain liquids. or you can grab the small gain scent booster. My store doesn't carry that anymore. Or the small gain fabric softener, which my store doesn't carry that anymore. If you grab one of each of those, we do have a $1 digital coupon for each. So if you grab one of each of those, your total will be $19.96. Use the $1 digital coupon on each product. You'll pay $15.96 at the register, but you'll get the $4 register reward for buying 4, make them $11.96 for all 4. We have a beginner-friendly couponing deal. I love these kind of deals because you don't need any coupons to grab the savings. And these are on great products that you may use all over your house. But what you're going to do is you're going to grab 4 of these products. Your total will be $10. There's no coupons. You can grab 4 of the same product. You can mix and match, whatever your heart desires. But it included is the Febreze single count bathrooms. Or you can grab the Febreze Air Mist, the single count ones. We have the Bounce dryer sheets are included, or there's a Gain dryer sheet included. Or we have the Downy Intense softeners. I couldn't think what they're called for a second. We have the trial size of the Downy Unstoppables, or lastly, the Tide Simply products if you do need some detergent. Easy deal on the Arm & Hammer products. They're on sale 3 for $7.49. Once again, no coupons needed for this deal. You can mix and match between the pods and the liquids if you prefer. We have a super hot deal on Palmolive and Suavitel this week. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $3 of register rewards, and they're on sale for $2.99. So you're going to come grab one of the Palmolive dish soaps. Then you're going to come grab one of these skinny Suavitels for $2.99. So this is what you're going to grab, one of each. Your total will be $5.98. We have a 75-cent digital coupon for the Palmolive and a 75-cent digital coupon for the Suavitel. You'll be left to pay $4.48 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them just $1.48 for both. Small and medium trash bags this week are on promotion for buy 1, get 2 free. This is one of the better deals that you can find on these style trash bags. They are the twist tie style, but mix and match, grab the 3 sizes that you need for just $4.99. This week, select Puffs, Bounty, and Charming products are on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.49. So you can grab something like these Puffs plus lotion. You can grab the red or the blue Charmin if your store carries the red small one, the 4 equals 16. Or you can grab the 2 equals 5 doubles of the Bounty paper towels. Grabbing both of these products, your total will be $10.98. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin and a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty. You'll be left to pay $8.98 at the register, but we'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $5.98 for both. So this week for soda deals, we have Pepsi and Mountain Dew, all those on sale, buy 2, get 1 free. So 3 of them will be $23.98. Or Dr. Pepper looks like it's clumped in with a Coke deal this week. So you can mix and match between Dr. Pepper products or Coke for buy 2, get 2 free. So 4 of them will be $23.98. Y'all, you know this is one of my favorite deals. The Walgreens brand storage baggies, buy 1, get 2 free. I use these at home. They're $2.79 so you'll just pay $2.79 for all 3 that you grab. Alright guys, this is everything I'm grabbing this week. Let's go check out. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I grabbed everything that I showed you in the cart. I believe I showed you in the cart. I could never remember. I most of the time remember to take my picture for my thumbnail for the video, and then I can never remember if I show you guys what I grabbed or not. So sorry, but anyway, I grabbed the Suavitel Palmolive deal, the Oral-B, the Colgate, and then the buy 4 Tide product deal. So that's everything that I grabbed. And then all 4 of those, I was worried about grabbing the Tide Pods regular one because the last time I did, it looked like it was included in the deal, even was priced that way online. But the register reward didn't print for it, and then the Catalina people declined me for it, and like you can't fight the Catalina people. Anyway, so I had a $3 and a $5 register reward from previous weeks that I did use. And then for digital coupons, we have the $6 for the Colgate, $5 for, what was that for? Oh, the Oral-B. I lost my mind already. And then we had quite a few $4 digital coupons. There's should be 4 of them for each of the Tide and Downy products. Then we have a 75-cent coupon for the Suavitel and a 75-cent digital coupon for the Palmolive. So all the digital coupons came off correctly. Yeah, I just had to make sure there was 4. I was struggling. So I swiped my card for $23.94. But that is a little higher out of pocket just because I didn't have, since I missed couponing 2 weeks ago, I didn't really have any good registry rewards really to use. But I did earn $10 in Walgreens cash. I had a spend booster, spend 45, get $10. So I did earn that. And then for registry rewards earned, I did earn $5 for the Colgate. $3 for, I'm assuming this one's the Palmolive. $5 for the Oral-B. Oh no, I forget. This one expires, what is today, the 26th? In like less than a week. So if you do this deal, just remember to go back in store before next Sunday. I almost always forget about those. I started writing them. I have a planner that I use, just like actual paper planner. Not to expose myself or anything, but I need one. But I didn't fill out this week's. But it's just one of these. And then if I have something that's out of the blue, like a registry reward that's expiring, I write it on there so I see it again. Because otherwise I won't, and then I'll get mad that I lost out on that money. And then the $5 registry reward for buying the 4 PG items. So everything printed off correctly that I'm excited about. And then I submitted to Fetch Rewards for 1,500 Fetch points, which is roughly $1.50 for the Colgate toothpaste. So it makes my haul with that promotion, or the Fetch, like $22. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.